can first. But I'm not so sure my topic is great.
Sorry, could you speak loud? No.
Okay.
I can't hear it clearly. It's too. Yes, the volume is too low.
Can you hear me now?
No. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, I can hear you, but it's too. The volume is too low.
Maybe I'll try to set my microphone. Maybe other guys do the first one.
Okay. I come first. Okay. So my topic is the used car estimate. So imagine we are a dealer for selling used car in Los Angeles, and so what car we should choose to in our inventory, and we should estimate the price and so which so like the how can I say like maybe Los Angeles like Honda or like Honda, and the Las Vegas like maybe like how to say Chevy, yes, Chevy, or and so and there's a lot of factors in fact the used cars sale, the price, and maybe the miles, maybe the year. So what year that is the used car produced, and what okay, and we go is as a dealer in Los Angeles. So what cars we should choose to how to say to store to let me let's say okay, if I'm dealer in Los Angeles, so if I buy a used car from person, and this is a Honda, this is a Accord, or this is Camry, or this is a Variable, and could I sell it in 1 month, and how many profits can we make? This is my topic. Yeah, I think, and I should say it in more detailed, but I can't. I don't know how to describe it. So okay, this is my opinion. And okay, who go the second?
How do you wanna share some data sets?
Yeah, this yeah. There's a lot of website we can fetch the data, because like Carvana, like car gurus, like auto trader. So I think the data is easy to get for us. Auto trader and V-Room. We can fetch this from this website and determine what, as a dealer, what we should choose. Yeah. Okay. This is my topic. And who goes second?
I can talk about
Sure.
Sure. Oh, okay. My topic is transactions fraud detection. That is, each time when we want to spend the money, maybe with a credit card, then the organization will decide whether this transaction is safe or not. So they will send us text message to ensure that we are doing the transaction by ourselves. And I'll show you the data site here. I choose this one because the data site here is very good for us at this time. It's not too big or not too small, and rather clean. And you can see we have the test identity, test transaction, and everything like that. And the volumes, the number of volumes are good, and the number of samples is good as well. So it would be much easy for us to deal with the data side on this one. Okay, this is my idea.
Yeah, so your business goal is what? Business goal.
Sorry, the volume is not too good for me. What did you say?
Sorry?
Can you hear me?
You are cutting off. You are cutting off. Yeah, right now. Okay.
Okay.
Your goal is what? The business goal.
To test whether the transactions are fraud or not. We will test the final possibility for each transaction that the customers do.
Whether or not the transaction.
So yes, the final summation would be two column, and one is a transaction ID, and the other would be the possibility of the fraud.
The possibility of the fraud and the transaction ID.
Yes.
So your goal is reduce the rate of the
fraud
of the people doing fraud.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The third.
Me and Kunlong just found one topic. It's about movie dataset. We found the dataset on the cattle, and we think we can combine the movie dataset and some user dataset to introduce some portionally interesting movies to specific user. It's just our plan, but I'm not so sure if it's a easy or great topic. And that's all about that.
This is movie recommendation?
Yeah, movie recommendation. Is that a cheesy topic?
I saw that. Yeah, I saw that on a couple of websites too. That was actually my second topic that I saw, but I saw it on a couple of websites. It was either intermediate or advanced. So I guess it depends what we do with it, but that might be fine, I think.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't think it's super easy.
Which one do you think, the three right now, do you think which one is the most easy project now?
Probably the car price estimate, because I remember in one of my classes, I think it was the class that's basically this one, the 541. I think someone did housing prices, and I think the professor said that was too easy. And I guess the car price estimate isn't much of a difference.
Well, the car price, what I think is a little, maybe it has a little disadvantage is we need to mining the data by ourselves, right? Can we find some existing data set on the Cadon or other websites? Oh,
The data.
Probably
Oh.
if you just sorry.
Okay. Go ahead. And the first, the first, Alisa. Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know. This data set's kind of big, but I was thinking of a music genre classification. So like it'll based
Music.
on a few seconds or up to 30-second sound file, you can determine whether a certain song is like from the blues, classical, country, stuff like that. I I found a big pretty big data set, but there's a lot of information here. But if you guys want to go on the easier side, maybe not this one. I've never used sound files before.
Sound files is easy to analysis by software. I don't know.
Maybe. I mean, this whole file, it says it's... Oh, did I choose the right one? Oh, I think I picked the wrong one. Sorry, this wasn't this one. It was this one. That was pretty big. But there's... Or was it? No, I gave you the right... I gave you the right one. Never mind.
sorry, is that a music recommendation, or we need to scan the music and find the specific genre? Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce the word.
Genre?
Genre, yeah. So is our objective is to specify the music genre, right?
Yeah, based on the...
Audio files.
I think the files, it says it's... Yeah, based on the music files, to determine what the genre is. It shows on... It says there's 10 genres here. It shows blues, classical, country, disco, hip-hop, jazz. Yeah.
It
That's a
sounds
classification.
Cool. It sounds cool.
Yeah. But like I said, I don't know if you guys... I don't know how difficult this is going to be. It sounds cool, but usually the cool ones are harder.
It sounds good.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, do we have any tools? Do we have any tools, existing tools to analyze the music file? You know, we have that.
Let me look that up. You mean
Yeah, I
like
think the
easy ways to do it?
the difficult is to analyze how we analyze how we get into the file, or get into the file. So yeah, the topic is really cool.
And I see some like printing the art orientation. We can it's quite similar, but one issue I'm worried about is whether the computer memory will be big enough for us to do this, especially Xiaoyi's computer. So I didn't choose those topics. That's my only concern.
I bought a new laptop. Sorry.
Okay. And maybe we need to install many third-party platform or implementations.
Yeah.
I think we should choose a basic difficulty for us. Do we want to choose a challenge one or a easy one?
And we still have Eden, right?
Eden can speak. He tapped in the
you can
text
type.
channels.
You can type in. You can type in what you think, and we can discuss. Okay. So, what's your topic? This kind of topic, but think of doing Bitcoin price predictor. Bitcoin price predictor. Yeah, I see. Predictor.
Will professor regard prediction as a too easy one? I'm not so sure about that. Like used car and Bitcoin.
Will help you predict the price of Bitcoin using real estate, but I'm not sure. Yeah, this is a easy topic. Okay. What do you think? Do you want a challenge one
Looking
or easy one?
maybe I think I kind of like the fraud detection. I think that's a basic one, but I don't know. I don't think it'll be too easy, which is a good thing.
Yeah, I also think fraud detection is a good one. And I think the data set is perfect for us.
Yes, and I'm a little worried about the model you make because I see the test. Sorry.
Could you get some data from third party about fraud, about the transition, or because this is about the money? So I don't think the bank will share the data with us. So do you have any data site, or do we have enough data site? Because this is bank. This is data from bank.
Actually, I found another one. I'll share with you.
Okay.
It says
The music and like Bitcoin, like cars are easy to find the data, but I don't know credit card debit.
This one is about the credit fraud prediction. This is the real data from American Express. But the only issue is what I said. It's too big. The data is too big. It's almost 50 GB and too much things to do. But if you'd like to challenge this one, I'm okay with that, and maybe we can get the $40,000.
So the bank they do share their data.
Yes, but they hide the details of each category. They use BP like this, B20, P30 to give you the data. But all the data, this is a real one, and really big one, and it's still ongoing.
I don't think we should use a real one. Maybe we just use the train and test CSV is enough.
Yeah, that's why I chose that transactions detection, not this one. It's a little too big for us. And it has the American Express, this data site. For example, you can see the data site CSV. It has 190 columns, and we have to decide which column can we use to make the model, and which columns will not stop, which columns we don't use. So I think it will be quite difficult. So I choose that easier one.
Okay, I agree.
But up to you, because I don't know the details for making the modeling, and you can use.
Yeah, I prefer He and Alison one. Yeah, I prefer these two. So what do you think? What do you guys think?
Yeah, me and Kunlo agree with the topic.
And so we're gonna choose from He and Alison this topic.
How about Eden?
Yeah, yes. So we have two choice. We have two choice right here. And the advantage. So we're gonna think of the advantage and the disadvantage of each topic. And the Alison's disadvantage is the file is too big. Yeah, as He mentioned. And
actually, it's actually about the same as the fraud detection. It shows 1.4 gigabytes, and the smaller fraud detection is 1.3 gigabytes. I think it says. Or 1.35. So the data files are about the same.
Files.
Is that what you were saying about the size?
Yeah, I know. Analysis. Okay. Anyone else think of the disadvantage advantage of each topic?
I think.
Listen, please.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think both of them, you will be able to find YouTube how-tos. I'm pretty sure. If you look up fraud detection, machine learning, or music genre classification, machine learning, I think we'll be able to find, so both of them.
Okay. Rock and music. Yeah, I think it's if we want more challenging, so we choose Alison one, and if we need, if we wanna a little bit easier, we're gonna choose a first one topic. So if you wanna difficult or easy one, so choose difficult one or easy one.
I think most of us has no experience in machine learning, so I think easier one is the good choice. Maybe.
So you mean the He? So you choose He's topic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm looking up. I'm looking up music genre classification, and it looks like I just did like a quick search, and the first thing I saw is using a CNN, which is with That's artificial
CNN.
intelligence. It's like a neural network. It's like one of the model types.
Oh, narrow network. 神经网络. Oh, it's like iPhone's chip. Narrow network.
Well, I've done one before. It's with images. So, like with an image, you have like with an image, you have a like 50 pixel by 50 pixel image, and with the neural network, it kind of grabs the most important parts of the image and kind of like reduces the image to find the most important features, and then it classifies it based on those. Yeah, it's and I've done one before, but yeah, I've never done one with sound. Do you know the type of models that we'd have to use for fraud detection?
Don't know the details
Sure.
about it.
What?
You're cutting off. Sure.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Yeah, we can hear now.
You should buy a better microphone next time. Okay, you can type.
Sorry, it's logistic regression a model, or it's just a math method?
Yeah, logistic regression's pretty easy.
Yeah, we can just ask the professor which one. So we gave him 2 choice, and which one is better for him, he can tell us.
Oh, cross-validation. Okay. Okay.
Reference. So we have 2 choices right now. We can ask the professor, or we just make a decision right now. We have 2 choices.
Sorry, I checked the fraud on Gabble, and I think maybe we should use light GBM model for the topic. Let me type it.
Light GBM. Light GBM. What is light GBM? Oh, what is light GBM?
Gradient boosting.
Sorry, I'm not so sure about that. Find some code in the Cadle. I think we can refer that one.
Oh, big hard. Machine learning code. decision tree. This GitHub is existing the code. Is it Python? Documents. Okay.
I found an article that describes 4 approaches to the music genre classification. So it's
You can share with us, maybe.
yeah.
Understanding. Frame translation strategy CRNN range strategy. Versioning approach after each. with something new.
Neural.
Neural. But also use this one. Some similar similar project from GitHub.
You mean which one?
Alison? Alison, the music one
Oh, yeah.
from GitHub. Yeah, let me see.
Can I see it?
Where?
Sorry, what?
Do you find?
Oh,
You find the guitar from guitar?
let me check.
The music. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were saying that you found something on GitHub.
How about we check the code section in Alison's share? I think Alison's share has some code. Maybe we can refer it.
The code section.
Refer to what?
Refer the code they have already uploaded.
Oh, yeah, on that tab, on the Kaggle.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 94 of them.
I can see one is use CN training. Maybe we can do that. It looks so hard. All about math.
Math? Oh no, I don't think you actually have to do any of the math.
Oh, that's cool. I'm a little afraid of math.
Yeah, no, don't be afraid. It's not bad.
Okay. I see so many.
Yeah, what's good about machine learning nowadays is that there's like a lot of math and calculus and stuff, but with the libraries, it does all of it for you, and so it's just like algorithms and stuff, but so you don't have to worry about the hard math of it. So
That would be really,
yeah.
really. Cause I see so many formula in this code.
Oh yeah, code.
Oh, do we
I don't
need
know
to
why they
use
did that.
Matplotlib? Right,
Matplotlib, I'm assuming. Which one are you looking at?
Let me share. This one.
Okay, so they're talking about the audio wave. Okay. I think it's just they're explaining how they did it, or how the algorithm does it, maybe.
Oh, sorry, I don't know anything about that.
And then they're plotting the wave. Yeah, so if you scroll down to the actual code, I think, is it all the way down here? Like to part chapter 4, it starts getting into the actual code. You can see they're not actually calculating any math. Everything, yeah, I don't know if everything, I didn't read it all the way through, but they were just explaining the details, I think, of the sound and how it works. And then the actual code is just creating a CNN.
Oh, you mean just read the spectrum and use CNN to read the genre, and then we can get it, right?
Say that one more time?
Do you mean we do something to read the spectrum of the music files, and then we use CNN to learning the spectrum of the genre, so we can get that right?
Yeah, I think that's what it's doing. It's just grabbing the features of the sound.
So do we need to do the modeling in the future for the music? The modeling?
The modeling?
Yeah, Alisa? Yeah. So how about the modeling part?
The CNN modeling?
Yeah, how about modeling part?
Oh, yeah, I mean, there's certain certain things you have to add to the CNN to grab the let's see. Yeah, when I did my CNN, it was like a lot of trial and error stuff. I mean, yeah, there is some modeling that we have to do. Like there are certain layers in a CNN. I'm not really sure how to explain. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess maybe
So
we should just maybe we should do the fraud detection.
Modeling. Yeah, do the CNN training.
Yeah,
Training, do the modeling. Yeah. So how could we finish the assignment of modeling part? If you like the CNN training, do with modeling. Yeah. Okay, we can how to say 投票 in English?
Vote.
Vote. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can vote.
Oh, vote. Yeah.
Vote or not vote? Let me think. It's vote. 投票。
Secret ballot.
Secret ballot.
don't think we could do a secret ballot on this, but
Yeah, secret ballot. Let me check. Discord.
I never got this part when we're deciding what topic to do before we even know anything about machine learning. I mean, like, I'm talking about the people who've never done machine learning before. Like, I don't know how groups are supposed to figure out the right topic.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me show my the how do I say? Wait for a second. Okay, right here. Okay. Right now, my opinion is the fraud, because I think the music is too easy, because just let the machine learning do everything, so we don't have to do anything else in this. So it probably in the next step we can't do much more on the assignment, because we need to analysis, we need to modeling, we need to. There's a lot of stage in the during this project, and the music and the fraud. The fraud we have to do a lot of process by ourselves, and the music is just CNN training. So I think it's too easy.
Yeah, I was actually gonna say, I agree with you. Actually, I was gonna say we should do fraud detection. Actually, because the CNN it could be too hard, because it's not even in the scope of this class. I don't think he's gonna cover neural networks.
Yeah.
So it's out of the scope, and so you guys would have to figure out what it is first and what goes into it. But the fraud detection, it'll actually, I think the models that we may be doing is actually the stuff that he'll go over in class, most likely. And so I think it's in the scope of the class.
Okay, so fraud, and what about Eden? Okay. No, so we're gonna do fraud detection. Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay. Deal.
Do we? Sorry. Do we need to open a Google Doc to do the proposal?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll make one.
Yeah. Question.
Thank you.
Yeah. Document master. Okay.
I might not need to talk about this right now, but I mean, do you know what language you guys want to do for it?
Python?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, probably Python.
Yeah, because I think Python, I mean not Python, Google has something that we can use that we can all share the code. Kind of like Google Docs. I forgot the name. I think it's Google Chrome? No, that doesn't sound right.
Go Drive?
No. It's like for working on the code. It's kind of like, have you guys worked on...
We use GitHub?
GitHub. Okay, Maybe. I was thinking of something else.
Yeah.
Let me find it and I'll show you.
Okay. You mean we can coding together in Google?
Yeah, I think.
Oh.
I'm gonna go search. Yeah. I think. Yeah, it's like a way to. It's if like files are super big and your computer can't handle it. Like it's another thing on Google that you can run code on.
Like AWS, Google, Google Cloud, Google what? Like AWS, Azure. You mean the Google Cloud, right? Google Cloud.
No, let me go to my Google account because I think I have a file on there.
You mean this? Google Cloud. Sure.
Yeah, there's this thing called Google Colab. It's like kind of like Google Docs, where you can run Python code.
Collab.
Yeah.
You mean COLAB?
Yeah. I don't.
Laboratory. Laboratory. Research.
Yeah. Google
Like laboratory.
Colab. Yeah, if you just, oh yeah, there it is. If you just click on that, you can create a new file.
Machine learning. Oh, data science. Oh. Cool. Resources. So we can do our coding into here and just running on the Google Colab. Alisa.
I think so. I've never used it with more than one person.
Oh, we can try. Yeah.
Yeah, let me. I have.
Runtime. What's console? Where's the console? Console, no console. Question.
Here, I'm working on it.
Oh, okay. The next step, we can determine who do which part.
Today,
Or we can make decision tomorrow or next Monday. Okay, because we have 3 weeks to do the first assignment.
Oh, you're talking about splitting the work for the report?
Yeah, assignment 1 for the report. Or we can do yes, we can make a decision next Monday if you're if you want.
If we do it, I think we could do it
Next Monday?
today. If we split the work today, that might be easy enough because there's 12 bullet points, so everyone can do 2 bullet points on the report, or
Yeah.
maybe
12. There's 12. Well, I think the difficult one is the plan. Is the plan project plan? Yeah. When I saw this, I think it is the difficult part. So we're gonna have 2 people to do the plan, I think, and the background, the goals, and a lot of things is pretty easy. Pretty easy. Just the plan. What do you think? And we split right now, or we split tomorrow, or on weekend, or next Monday? What do you think?
I think we can
Yeah.
split it today.
3.
And if you have any preference, you can write down the first. If you write down it first, then you can do it.
You mean today?
Yeah. Just he said the list we are going to do. It's business understanding. So maybe as he said, we each can do 2 of them. Or you'd like to do it another day? I'm cool with either.
Okay, just make the decision right now. The first one can be split to 2 people. The first one. Second one. Yeah, second one 2 people. And the first one 1 people. And third one 1 people. And the last one, the produce project plan, maybe 2 or 3 people, I think. So you do one and third one. I think third one is more technical. Oh yeah.
are you talking about
Alison
the
Peter.
third?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Are you talking about the 3rd bullet point or the 3rd section?
Third section.
The third section determine ML
Because
goals.
you took the machine learning before. You took the data mining or machine learning. Okay, Alison, do the third one.
Yeah.
You are right.
Yeah, I can do. I can do determine machine learning goals.
Yeah. I can do
So-
the business objectives and all 3 of the.
Me and Kunlong can do the access situation.
Okay.
So the last one is Hao and Eden, right?
The plan. Use product plan. Initial. The last one. I think it should be me and He. The last one.
Actually, the first one.
Yeah.
He, your first one.
Yeah. The first.
Just
No.
you and
do the last one.
Eden
No.
left.
What? You like me to do the
No.
last one?
Yeah. I like to do the last one because
Okay.
So
this is your topic. You kind of know everything about the each
Actually,
stage.
I know nothing about it.
No.
Okay, I can do it. Let's do it. So
You and me do the last one. Okay. You and me do the.
I see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Then Eden.
And Eden,
Yeah.
Eden do the background objective success criteria, the first one, and Alison do the third one, Kunlong and Xiayi do the second one, and me and He do the last one. Okay, that's fine.
Okay. If certain sections turn out to be too much work, let us know. Too.
2 sections.
no worries, we can do that.
I did not get all of that down. Do you guys? So you guys know which parts you're gonna do?
You mean the access situation?
Yeah. I was just saying in general, everyone knows which parts they're gonna do.
Yeah. I think so.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, terminology, goals and benefits. Okay, this is general. It's more general. I think it's not difficult. Do all 3. Am I supposed to do all 3 of the? Yeah, you do all 3 of the first section. For first section. This is a general of our project, so you just describe in detail and determine the goals of our business. Success criteria. Okay, He, did you do the business success criteria for Eden? He. The other 2 background.
I don't think that that first section it won't be too hard. I think because it just seems like it's. I don't want to say BS,
General,
but
yeah.
it just says what's the primary business objective or the it's just kind of like the goal of our project, I guess, right?
Yeah. Yeah, undergraduate student. Okay. 你就看着是韩国小帅哥。Is it just me? Anyone else here? Also.
No, I don't think so. I think
Maybe
yeah, I think it's just you, Eden.
That's you. Maybe just the professor mentioned there's only two undergraduate students in this class. You are the one of two. Three? Oh, okay. You are the one of three.
I remember
Okay,
being in a
yeah.
similar situation. I once took a class that was
Yeah.
mostly undergraduates, and I was like one of two graduate students.